We are going to make soap with just 3 ingredients here. Hi, I'm Kajol. Welcome to Kajol Cosmetics. Today we are going to use single oil here to make a cold process soap. I'm going to use coconut oil that is widely available in every home. So we are going to make 3 ingredient soap here. All you need is distilled water, sodium hydroxide called as lye, and coconut oil. All the measurements will be given in the description box. I'm not going to add any scent or fragrance. You can add any kinds of essential oil or fragrance oil and the soap turns out like a pure white bar. I will show you at the end of the video. You can check out. Wanted to make soaps at home? Then this formulation is an easy formulation with just 3 ingredients you can make at home. The full recipe is given in the description box. If you have any questions or doubts, feel free to comment down. Now our soap is almost ready. It's time to pour. Thank you guys. Happy formulating.